So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create our own extension with the help of Codex. Codex is a software that we need to install in our computer, and we can create any type of application with this. As you can see here, OpenAI coding agent that you can run locally from your terminal, right? So let me just download this. Just search here Codex download, go here and then download for Mac. Just click on this button. I already have downloaded it. And once you download it, you need to install this. So I already have installed this. So this is the Codex dashboard like this. That will ask you for the access. As you can see here, this is the folder. In the left side, you will see the add new project. Click on this. Now here you can create a folder. Suppose, let me just create a fun folder extension. So I'm giving the access to this. So I have that folder and open this. So in this folder, I can create a code. So you can see under this folder, I have one folder called extension. So whenever I create any application, that will display in this under this folder. Okay. So I'm going to just write a simple prompt to create a Chrome extension that can capture a long screenshot. Okay. So I'm going to create a prompt from ChatGPT. Okay. Just write a prompt to create a Chrome extension. Okay. And he will give you a prompt like this. And then use this prompt. Just use this prompt like this. Copy paste. And then use the Codex and enter. And he will generate all files for you. Okay. You can see I'm going to inspect the work. He will read the file, design everything, and he will generate the files in this folder. Under that extension folder he will create. So we need to just wait some seconds for this. Okay. So as you can see, he created some files like this. Okay. Now let me show you how we can use it. So just open the new tab and go to the three dot and click on the extension. Manage extension. Now we need to click on the load unpack. Go to the desktop, and as you can see here, we have this extension folder like this. So I have these files. So you can just select this. As you can see, this full page extension like this. Now let me just go to the click on this and just pin this. Now open any website. Let me just open this website. Okay. And let me just click on that extension and just use here the JPG or PDF you can use, and click on capture full page and wait some seconds. And it's done. Let me see. Let me just save this in our desktop. How's it look? Wow. Fantastic. As you can see, we have downloaded one full screenshot of long page. So we created this amazing extension with the help of Codex. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.